friends, how are you? Today's our final day of division making equal groups. We're going to move on next week. But for today, we're just going to review the steps and everything. I'm going to do a problem or two with you, depending on how much time it takes. And then, yeah, we'll be finished. All right, so let's get started so this doesn't take too long. So division, making our equal groups. Remember, we have our addition symbol, our subtraction, our multiplication, and now our division. Remember, it's the line with two dots. All right, and then we have our division equation, our division sentence. We have 35 here. It's our bigger number. It's our dividend. Remember, our first number, the biggest number, needs to be divided into, the divisor tells us how many equal groups. So 35 needs to be divided into 7 equal groups, and then you get your answer, which will have 5 in each group. All right, so and some of our rules that we have, our division rules to remember. Any number divided by 1 equals that same number, just like in multiplication. So if I have 25 divided by 1, I'm going to get 25. All right, any number divided by 0 always equals 0, just like in a multiplication. So if I have 10 divided by 0, it's going to equal 0. And any number divided by the same number equals 1. So if I have 50 divided by 50, I'm going to get 1. All right, friends, so let's get started. So I have 28 divided by 7. Okay, so I know that 28 needs to be divided equally into 7 groups. So I'm going to make my 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have my 7 groups. Now I can divide this 28 equally amongst my 7 groups. So I'm just going to count and put 1 in each group until I get to 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So since I ended at my last group, I know that they're equal. So I can just count how many are in my last group. If I ended here, they wouldn't be equal. But I ended here, so I know they are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 in each group. So 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Now again, friends, if we were able to skip count and memorize how to skip count by 7, this would also help us to solve this. Because I could skip count on my fingers, so I have 7, 14, 21, 28. How many fingers do I have up? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer must be 4. Also, if I remember, I can think, 7 times what number equals 28? Oh, I remember. 7 times 4 equals 28. I have my 28. I have my 7. I was just missing my 4. All right, friends? So we have a couple different ways we can solve this problem. All right? So we're going to actually end there today because we have been doing this all week. So great job, friends. We did this all week. We did it the week before break. I think you guys have got it by now. And then next week we'll move on. All right? So enjoy yourself. All right? We'll see you tomorrow for our theme day Zoom.